Hello, I'm Janet Smart of Country Living, and I'm going to show you how to do the Betsy Ross star with one clip. I'm dressed the part because every year at the 4th of July, I go as Betsy Ross in our 4th of July parade in Ripley, West Virginia. It's the biggest small town 4th of July celebration in the country, and we're very proud of it. And, okay, now, look down here on the paper. You get an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. Fold it in half. Okay, now fold it in half again. We do that just so we can get a crease there. So we have our crease there. Now we're going to fold it from a corner, and start with the corner that's folded, okay? Not from this corner, the folded corner. And you take this, put it down here where this crease is, right there. And fold it. There we go. Now turn it around so that we have this up here, and then we fold it again. Now it's going to look like an ice cream cone. See that? And then you take this, fold it over. There we go. Now turn it over, and this last little piece, you fold it again. Now I've watched videos before online, and I've tried and tried and tried, and I would always mess up. I just had to put it on pause and just keep looking again. Now, this is what you do. You see where that flap is? You get your scissors right there and cut it at an angle. Right like that. Now, cross your fingers, and this, when I open this up, it'll be a star. A 5-point star. There it is. There's how you make the perfect 5-point star. Now, if you want, I'll do it again for you. I've got a bunch of them I made. You can make them out of pretty colored paper. You know, just like 8.5 by 11 paper. You could do it out of red paper, white paper, blue paper. And, okay, I'm going to do it one more time. Fold it in half. Or paper with stars on it. That would be really pretty. Fold it in half again. Okay, now open it up. There's your crease. Take this right here, the one that's where the fold is, and you fold it down and meet that crease there. Okay, there you go. Now I turn it so that these little corners are right there, and then I take this corner here where the crease is again and fold it up here. Makes it look like an ice cream cone. See that? Now you take this and fold it over. Easy. 2 folds there right now. Turn it over. And now this little part, you fold it over. There you go. That's what it looks like on that side. Now, where this is, you get your scissors right here at the top. Cut down at an angle. And like I say, cross your fingers. Open it up. Perfect 5-point star. Okay, like I said, I'm Janet Smart of Country Living, and I hope you enjoy your 4th of July this weekend. I'm going to be in the parade. I'm going to be in a carriage with President Lincoln and his wife. So happy 4th, everybody.